Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as promised, we're gonna play with another Scrap Diva Designs die set. We're gonna be playing with the A2 Victorian oval die. But before we get into that, guys, make sure you check out my video from yesterday. We created this beautiful shaped card. I love the way it came out. And we'll also be using Rosie Studio's Primavera collection, along with some other items from Rosie Studio. So use code Poochie10 to save on scrapdivadesigns.com. And you can use code RS-Poochie10 to save 10% off on rosiestudio.com. I'll have everything linked down below for you all. So this die set here, you are gonna get the frame and then 2 stitch pieces. The frame is also stitched as well. So there's different things you can do with this. You can create just it as a whole. You can cut it out to create just the frame. And then you also get these flowers and these cute little sprigs. I did not get a chance to cut the sprigs out, but I had an idea. I wanted to make it's already a frame. And so I wanted to create a stand-up frame for you to display in your craft room or wherever you want to display it. So I went ahead and I cut one of the full piece, and then I took the full piece and the inner, the smallest. Here, let me show you guys. So one is bigger than the other. I used the smallest one and I cut that to create this frame. So make sure you guys put tape and you line it up correctly, or if you have I have a magnetic cutting board, so it holds it in place for me really nicely. I definitely, and then I cut this with the bigger one. I definitely suggest getting one of those magnetic, what do I have? I can't think of what it's called right now. From scrapbook.com, you guys know what I'm talking about, that Magic Mat. I have a magnetic one and I love it. I've been using it a lot lately. And then this is what it looks like if you put the bigger one. So you guys can see for size difference, you can create a thicker frame or a thinner one. Totally up to you. We're gonna go with the thicker one today. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna glue this down. And basically, we're gonna embellish this together, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make it a stand-up frame for display. But there's so many things you can create with this die set. I personally love frame dies. I love them down, you guys. I have to have all different kinds of them. Whatever frame die that I see, I have to have. Okay, so we're gonna glue that down. And we're gonna go ahead and add this just as an extra layer, because why not? Let's just go ahead and lay it down. Or you can go with that thinner frame. Let me see if I want to do the thinner frame. Kind of want to do the thinner one. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the thinner one for this project, and then I'm gonna save this one for another project. You can cut your frame out of gold foil paper. I think that will look so pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some glue. And then we're gonna go ahead and create the frame, the stand-up aspect of this, and we'll go ahead and embellish this together. Maybe it goes this way. I'm trying to line it up right, guys. So again, use the smaller of the interior if you want a thicker frame. If you want a thinner one like this, then use the bigger one of the two. All right, there we go. Let that dry. And then we're gonna go ahead and get a piece of paper that measures 7 by 1 inch. So let me go ahead and cut that. I got a scrap here and I'm hoping that it's gonna be big enough. It's barely gonna make it, guys. So 7 by 1 inch. Use your scraps. And we'll go ahead and cut that. Okay. And then we're just gonna do some scoring. Let me grab my little scoreboard. We are gonna score at 3 inches. Okay. So 3 inches, 4.5. And then 6 inches, or 2 inches from this side, which I'll do right here. 2 inches right here. Okay. And then we're gonna do the tiniest little, let me see. Let's go ahead and do 1/4 of an inch on the end as well. Okay. Just the tiniest little score. And we're gonna go ahead and fold this up. Let me get rid of the scoreboard. All right, let's fold this bad boy up. Guys, I think I messed up on one of the scores. Let me see. Okay, I see what I did. So score at 3 inches, 4.5 inches, guys. 3 inches and 4.5. Okay, not that third one. And we're just gonna simply glue this. So we're gonna glue it just like this, okay? So you wanna glue this about, I don't know, maybe an inch from here. So let's go ahead. And glue it about there. And basically we're gonna glue this to our frame so that it can stand up. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue that. And then we can decorate it. So again, this would be a cute little project for you to display. You can even make this a picture frame, you guys. If you just, when you put this frame part here, put some foam tape all along here except for the top. So that way that you have a way to slide your picture in. But this will be so cute to decorate with whatever collection you're playing with. You can put a photo here. And then it's gonna stand. Let me get this right on here. All right, get it centered. There we go. And it's gonna stand for you, really cute. All right, let's go ahead and decorate this. Let me grab my ephemera. So again, this is the Primavera collection. That I'm using all the ephemera pieces, and then I want to add some more of my flowers like we did yesterday. I really like for all my projects to be cohesive with each other, So I'm gonna, you know, kind of do it like I did the card yesterday. All right, let me figure out my pieces and I'll be back. I don't wanna make this video too long. Okay, so these are the 2 pieces that I'm thinking about so far. And then this one, I don't wanna cover up the swans because that's why I chose this paper. All right, let's glue that down. I don't know what my birds are chattering about. They're going crazy right now. So we'll put that one there. And then this one I want to tuck behind it. So guys, just imagine this with your favorite person's picture or whoever you're creating this for. It'll be a great gift to give someone. And I think I want to go with this piece here. What is it, baby? How do you think this looks?
Looks good.
Thank you. So I'm gonna set that there. And then let's put some of our flour too. I'm still waiting for the restock of these, you guys. I hope that you all were able to grab this die set. It is a must-have. All right, I need some flower centers. I only put centers on a few of them. How pretty is that flower gonna be right there? All right, we'll stick that down. Right there. And I have to put a center on there, but I'm gonna wait because I need to grab a glue stick for my hot glue gun. I guess I could put the wet glue, but it's gonna take a while to dry. Let's go ahead and put a flower center. All right. And you guys know I want to add a bow. Put the bow right here. I think it needs a bigger bow, you guys. What do you think? I think I want to put a big bow like I did yesterday on the card. Again, I like to make these projects kind of match each other. I'm just gonna do a single tied bow. You guys know I like to do the double tie bows, but we're gonna go with the single today. All right. And then I'm gonna fix the tails. And I think we'll do this one instead. Hold on, guys. let me put some tape on here because my glue stick, I need to get some more glue sticks, bring them out. I'm gonna use a little piece of foam. And let's put that right here on top. How'd that happen? Hold on, guys. There we go. You guys know how I feel about my bows. Just like that, and we have a cute little frame. I'm gonna stop right here, guys. I'll probably add some more to this, but for now, this is our stands for our frame. Okay, so make sure you guys grab this die set. It is a must-have. It's so pretty. I wish I had time to make other projects with it because this is one that I definitely will be using again. But make sure you guys use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase with scrapdivadesigns.com. And then I will, again, have everything linked down below for you all. Make sure that you guys, if you get a chance, please check out the video that I posted yesterday for the card. And leave me a comment to let me know that you watched. All right, I hope you all have a great day. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.